Hey foodies, what's happening? So, 70 degrees in November, so I decided to take the old bike out, try a new sandwich, and make sure when you're ordering online, when you put dine in, that the restaurant actually is open. I'm at Burger King. Wow, that's a loud one. I'm at Burger King right here, as you can see, in Fenton, and they are closed on the inside. But what are we trying today? So, what we're trying here, so I can make some room. Gas tanks are not very flat. This is the Royal Barbecue Chicken Sandwich. It's got barbecue sauce, a lot of barbecue sauce, chicken patty. Get them spicy. Get them spicy or regular. I just got the regular with some bacon. Those are good. Let's try this thing. Oh yeah. It's kind of weird the cheese isn't melted, but I'm kind of digging that. It's a really good sandwich. Now, I don't recommend you go and do something stupid like me. I'm trying to go through the drive-thru on a motorcycle and get a pop. Unless you got a cup holder, I guess. I don't know. But pick yours up today.